Hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Blogger channel, and for today's vlog I have something special for you as tomorrow is my birthday. So my mother gifted me a mobile, that is the LG G8X. So that's nothing more special about this mobile, something costly or something like that, only that it has a dual screen and I thought of making a video on that. So please stay with me. Going to the mobile, so this is how the mobile I got, or else I received the mobile in this way. So the MRP of the mobile was rupees 70,000, and my mother told me she got it for 20, that's why she went for this offer. So I'll open and show you the each and individual parts inside the mobile. So in the inside we got these two sections. After opening this is the first section where it's written limited edition special offer, and another is the LG dual screen. So this comes separately in this kit itself. So I don't know whether you can purchase this separately if it gets spoiled or something like that, but totally this is a festival limited edition offer, so she received it at a very less price. So opening inside, we can see that they have given a microfiber cloth to wipe the screen, so it's a LG. Apart from that, we have the mobile itself in the inside. So under the mobile, let's check what else we get. One minute, let's go to the inside. Okay, we get a section of this. Obviously, I guess inside a case, or maybe some information leaflets may be there inside. Apart from that, the adapter is missing over here. So we got it online, so that's a very big issue. We cannot say if they cheat us and all that stuff. These days a lot of online scams are happening. So we got the C cable, but the adapter is missing. I just checked whether it's like that. It's not like that actually. So I am feeling a little bad for that. Apart from that, the good thing what I got or what I received is the earphones or earplugs, which belongs to LG itself. So LG earplugs, that is a good thing. So I'll take some shots in this video, or I'll try to make a vlog in this mobile, then I'll show you. So this is what was there inside this. So inside the black box which he had got inside before this was a case, like I told. So I'll put the case on that and I'll show you again. Apart from the case, information leaflets or information guides, along with one pin to open it, warranty card. So that's what we got in this. So we'll go to the LG dual screen wala this system. So friends, inside this we received the dual screens main pad. So you can open it like this. So here where the display comes. Apart from that, there's a magnetic point in case you are charging the dual screen. So I'll keep this safe first. You might be observing that I am cutting the videos or pausing them. So this is because I am personally taking this without keeping my mobile down. So I will join all this and then come back. So this is how the mobile phone starts. I already put the password because I unboxed it maybe a few days ago. So this is not the problem right now. The problem is to insert it in this. So you can observe that there's a small point here, and if this point breaks when you insert the mobile, I'm sure this display is of no use. So friends, I inserted the dual screen in the mobile, so it looks something like this now. So the case comes like this, and the best part of the case is it shows information over here. You can see there's a small square box around it. Only that much area is visible. The remaining area, it's just simple, like there's no display on that. So now opening the inside, 1 minute. So when you open the inside, I already placed my fingerprint actually. 1 minute. Let's see how it fingerprint access. Okay, the fingerprint is open. So here there's an option in the mobile. So dual screen. I pressed the dual screen. Use. Yes, so the dual screen is on. So YouTube opened on this side. So 1 minute, I'll just fold it. So the mobile is like this now. 1 minute. Here you can get a different axis. So you can see there's a continuation on the wallpaper also. Apart from that, you can press many options here, like show main on dual screen, or show dual screen on main, put main screen to sleep, turn off dual screen, swap screens. So all these options are available. Apart from that, earlier in Samsung I used to do like this, but now it goes to Google. So you have to go to the sites. In this folder there's no other option, only these 5 are available. So what is the advantage of dual screen is you can keep switching. For example, you can watch a movie in this, you can do some shoots on this, or you can do some other work on this, or do something else on this, or else you can play a game here, and you can watch YouTube here. So all that sorts of stuff you can do. So the disadvantage in this case is the battery gets drained out when you use dual screen, whereas when it is in a single piece it stays fit. So you can see there's a lot of flapping in this. Maybe it will create a problem in the future, but I don't think so. This mobile will cause that much of a problem apart from security updates, because LG mobile services have been closed permanently. But the thing is, these kinds of phones, like this mobile, we got it for 20,000. So I request my viewers to not use cheaper end mobiles for more than 3 years, because ultimately a lot of problem comes in them, or some battery issues also starts. I'll take some shoots on this and I'll show you. So friends, the video is on right now in the another mobile, that is the LG G8X. So it's little bit difficult to pronounce this name, so I call it the LG 8X. So right now in this mobile, you can see the clarity wise it's different compared to my Samsung wala phone. And apart from that, you may observe that I'm not lying to you, because here is my Samsung mobile. So you can differentiate from earlier how it was and now how my facials and the other graphics have become in the new mobile. Apart from that, I'll show you the selfie wala side also. So right now you can see this is the selfie side. There's a bit of changes here and there, and the cameras are not damn good or something like that. It's like I guess it's similar to the Samsung's camera itself. See, here I'm not doing a review, so I don't have any idea about this mobile. I am just showing the viewers how it is when you get a cheaper phone or else a high-end mobile for a very cheap price. So this is why I'm doing a video, so that my viewers or subscribers and those and all who see my videos understand how it is when you get a cheaper and like a higher end mobile for a cheaper price. Why, what's the reason, and whether it functions. So you can see it functions here and there, but here and there troubles may come in the future. So that is how it works. So that's all folks. I am going to end this video here itself. In case you people recommend me to show the dual screen provisions more, I will do, but this mobile is almost a year old, so I am not going to do a precise view on all that. Just that I am going to do camera videos on views, so that you can see how the camera is. So thank you friends for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos. Until next time, stay safe, stay free, and see that you don't get affected with COVID-19.